Now in a mail merge, there are two types of documents that has to be created. One is the main document, other is the data source. Now what is main document? Main document is the document that contains the main text and some pictures also it may contain. The main text means whatever we are going to send to a lot of people. The main thing, the main letter which we are going to send to more than one number of people, that is the main document. So if I wish to send an invitation letter to more than one number of people, I will use this mail merge process where I have to create two documents. One is main document. The main document is the one which is the original letter that we are going to send to our friends or other people. So this is the letter where I am inviting some friends. You are invited to join my birthday celebration from my name given. But I have not written to whom I am sending this, because it is only the main letter. Now this is written separately. This is also called the formal letter or the official letter. So this is the MS Word letter that we are going to send to more than one number of people. For that reason we have not mentioned the recipient or the receiver to whom we am sending. I have not written there, because it contains only the text or the picture. That is the main thing it contains. So I have not given any receiver list or receiver name here. But my name I have given because my name will be constant. Whoever will receive, they will get this name and this main text. So whatever is the constant part in our letter, that only will be contained in the main document. And other things that vary, the variable things are the name and address of the recipient or to whom we are going to send the letter. They are called the recipient of the letter, and I am the sender. They are the recipient or the receiver. So they are variable because if I am going to send to more than one number of people, their names will vary. So those names and addresses of the people or friends I am going to send, they are written in a separate list called data source. Data source is a file. It can be MS Word table or MS Excel spreadsheet or any other database file which contains some fields or columns. Those columns are name, address, phone number, then city, anything can be there. How many fields or columns we want, we can add it in our database. So here are three names. We have entered three names in our list or database, their address and their phone number. Now we will merge the main document with this data source. Merge means each entry. This is called an entry. First row is the one entry, that means details of the first receiver. Second entry means second friend details, third friend's details. So how many friends are there, that many friends or that many entries will be there. Now from the data source, mail merge will take each entry, individual entry, and merge it with our original main document. So if I am going to send to 3 persons, then it will take these 3 entries from the data source and merge with this main document to create 3 different letters automatically. the main content will be same in each of the three letters, but only the name and addresses and phone numbers will be different. So it makes our task too much fast and easier. That means if we want to send our main document to these three friends, mail merge will copy this main document 3 times automatically. Then it will take each name or each entry from the data source and it will put in our in those 3 main documents. So these 3 names are to be these 3. So we have to send the same letter to these 3 persons. So mail merge creates a copy of this main document 3 times. See, letter 1, letter 2, letter 3. 3 times the same letter has been copied. The main document is the same. Now, to each copy of the letter, it attaches one entry from the data source. So first entry will go to the first copy of the main letter. See, first entry, first name is going to the first letter. Then second entry to the second letter. Then third entry to the third letter. So in this way you can see the same letter has been copied 3 times automatically by MS Word, and each entry from the database or data source is taken and put to respective letters. So first name is going to first letter, second name is going to second letter, and third name is going to third letter. So in the same process, if there are 100 letters, means if there are 100 recipients or 100 friends, this same main document will be copied 100 times. Then the 100 names, from those 100 names, each name will be taken and put in one letter. So 100 documents will be created, and those combination of 100 documents will be the merged document. Similarly here also, letter 1, letter 2 and letter 3. These 3 combination gives rise to the merged letter or merged document. This complete document has 3 letters in it, and this is called the merged document.